Assalomu alaykum. Men Qarshiboyev O'tkir O'zbekistondanman, Jizzax viloyatidan. Epilepsiya kasalligi bilan yurardim. 15 yildan beri men foydasi bo'lmadi va Hindistonga keldim. Max Smart klinikasiga va doktor Daljit Singh oldiga keldim va
He was having repeated seizures despite taking medicines, and it was affecting his daily life. So much so his family life was affected. Both children were worried about, and when he came to us in the OPD, he threw the scissor right in front of us. He had to be admitted on some sort of an emergency basis. His scan showed temporal lesion which was located close to the hippocampus.
Davo istab kelgandik va doktor Daljit Singh ukamda analizlarni ko'rdi va uni boshida jarrohlik amaliyoti o'tkazdi. Ukam 13-avgust kuni
We operated him with the temporal craniotomy and the lesionectomy, and also he had to be since the lesion was located close to the hippocampus, a part of the anterior temporal lobe, which we called as anterior temporal lobectomy, as well as the hippocampus was removed, it is called hippocampectomy.
operatsiyadan chiqqan bo'lsa, o'sha paytdan beri biron marta
doktor Daljitga kattakon rahmat. Oldingi epilepsiya kasalligi meni bezovta qilgani yo'q. Hammasiga kattakon rahmat.